Welcome to Top Buzz. In this video, I'm going to show you the 10 best paying jobs for high school graduates in the US. Although not all workers who leave a job are working in another job the next month, the majority of those switching employers are seeing it pay off in higher earnings, according to a new Research Center analysis of US government data. The Great Resignation has continued into 2022, with quit rates reaching high levels, and roughly 1 in 5 workers say they are very or somewhat slightly to look for a new job in the next 6 months, but only a third of these workers think it will be easy to find one. So, with this video, I'm hoping to help you get your first good job or your next better job, and we'll be starting from the least paying to the highest paying ones. Let's jump right in. Number 10 on the list is solar photovoltaic installer. Solar photovoltaic installers assemble, set up, and maintain rooftops or other systems that convert sunlight into energy. They are key to the process of solar panel installation and maintenance, and are responsible for safely attaching the panels to the roofs of houses or other buildings while ensuring that the systems work. When necessary, installers must be problem solvers, able to repair damaged systems or replace malfunctioning components. Safety is a priority in this job. National average salary. The average solar photovoltaic installer's salary in the United States is $34,663 as of 2022, but the range typically falls between $30,066 and $41,247. Projected job growth. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of solar photovoltaic installers is projected to grow 27% from 2021 to 2031, much faster than the average for most occupations. About 2,500 openings for solar photovoltaic installers are projected each year, on average, over the decade. Number 9 on the list is pharmacy technician. A pharmacy technician is a person who works with a pharmacist to ensure that all the necessary steps have been taken to fill a prescription. The responsibilities of a pharmacy technician also include working directly with patients and doctors to understand their prescription requirements and medical history. Most pharmacy technicians work in a retail, hospital, or community setting. National average salary. The average pharmacy technician's salary in the United States is $37,319 as of 2022, but the range falls between $33,654 and $41,641. Projected job growth. Pharmacy technician employment is projected to grow at 7% between 2018 and 2028, according to a report published by JobRx. There are currently 372,500 pharmacy technician positions nationwide, which will grow to 407,200 positions within that 10-year time frame. Number 8 on the list is community health worker. Community health workers are frontline public health workers who have a close understanding of the community they serve. This trusting relationship enables them serve as an intermediary between health social services and the community to facilitate access to services and improve service delivery's quality and cultural competence through a range of activities such as outreach, community education, informal counseling, social support, and advocacy. National average salary. The average community health worker's salary in the United States is $39,637 as of 2022. But the range falls between $33,867 and $45,791. Projected job growth. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, overall employment of health education specialists and community health workers is projected to grow 12% from 2021 to 2031, much faster than the average for all occupations. Number 7 on the list is medical secretary. Medical secretaries provide support to clinical staff. They manage the daily ebb and flow of patients through a doctor's office by performing various secretarial and clerical duties. In addition to answering phones, typing reports, and maintaining records and files, they may also be responsible for entering clinician charges into the medical billing system. National average salary. The average medical secretary's salary in the United States is $42,523 as of 2022, but the range falls between $38,211 and $47,545. Projected job growth. Over the next 10 years, the employment of medical secretaries is forecasted to grow 16% because about 123,000 openings are projected each year, on average. Career Explorer rates medical secretaries with an A employability rating, meaning this career should provide great employment opportunities for the future. Number 6 on the list is delivery truck driver. Whether you call them delivery truck drivers or truckers, they truly are transportation heroes. America depends on millions of these drivers to deliver and transport goods every day. Delivery truck drivers pick up, transport, and drop off packages and shipments within urban areas and regions. National average salary. The average delivery truck driver's salary in the United States is $46,122 as of 2022, but the range falls between $39,456 and $53,367. Projected job growth. Overall employment of delivery truck drivers is projected to grow 12% over the next 10 years, faster than the average for many occupations. Many of those openings are expected to result from the need to replace workers who transfer to different occupations or exit the labor force. Number 5 on the list is electricians. Electricians are persons whose responsibilities are to design, install, maintain, and troubleshoot electrical wiring systems. These systems can be in homes, commercial or industrial buildings, and even in machines. Electricians work to make possible the use of lights, electronics, industrial equipment, and many other essential appliances. National average salary. The average electrician's salary in the United States is $52,797 as of 2022, but the range falls between $46,032 and $61,290. Projected job growth. Electrical work is a growing field. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, electrician jobs are expected to grow by 9.1% from 2020 to 2030. This increase in demand is largely driven by an increase in devices, buildings, and vehicles that rely on electricity. Number 4 on the list is insurance sales agent. Insurance sales agents help insurance companies generate new business by contacting potential customers and selling one or more types of insurance. They explain various insurance policies and help clients choose plans that suit them, such as property and casualty, life, and health and long-term care. Selling insurance can be a rewarding career if you have the right mindset for it. National average salary. The average insurance sales agent's salary in the United States is $53,321 as of 2022, but the range falls between $48,698 and $60,149. Projected job growth. The employment of insurance sales agents is projected to grow 6% from 2021 to 2031, and an average of 52,700 openings for insurance sales agents are projected each year over the decade. Number 3 on the list is the plumber. A plumber is someone who installs and maintains pipes that carry liquids and gases in our homes and businesses. They troubleshoot dysfunctional pipe systems and repair or replace worn parts. They sometimes cut holes in floors, ceilings, and walls and may need to hang steel supports from ceiling joints to hold the pipes in place. National average salary. The average plumber's salary in the United States is $59,995 as of 2022, but the range falls between $51,969 and $68,330. Projected job growth. Employment of plumbers, pipe fitters, and steam fitters is forecasted to grow slower than the average for all occupations, from 2021 to 2031. Despite limited employment growth, about 48,600 openings are projected each year, on average, over the decade. Number 2 on the list is patrol officer. Police officers protect lives and property. They patrol assigned areas to maintain order, prevent illegal activity, enforce laws, and protect the community and citizens. Most police officers start their careers as patrol officers, directing traffic, writing tickets, investigating accidents and crimes, and responding to calls for help. National average salary. The average police patrol officer's salary in the United States is $61,024, but the range falls between $57,023 and $66,450. Projected job growth. The overall job outlook for patrol officers' careers has been positive in the last decade. Vacancies have increased steadily nationwide in that time, with an average growth of 0.39% per year. Demand for police patrol officers is expected to go up, with an expected 72,500 new jobs filled by 2029. Number 1 on the list is a flight attendant. This career is surely a great gig if you're willing to work flexible yet crazy hours and travel to destinations you may be unfamiliar with. Flight attendants oversee the cabin in an aircraft and are responsible for the safety and comfort of the passengers. They spend more time with passengers than any other airline employee and try to offer the most personalized service possible to every passenger for the duration of a flight. National average salary. The average flight attendant's salary in the United States is $80,731, but the range falls between $64,793 and $100,089. Projected job growth. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment of flight attendants is projected to grow 21% from 2021 to 2031. About 18,100 openings for flight attendants are forecasted each year, on average, over the decade.